So we're basically like in a cave, it looks like.
We're in some cave.
Westworld, the hit HBO TV series, had one of the most amazing interactive theme parks created to promote their second season. For those unfamiliar with the show, Westworld is about a theme park set in the Old West where visitors can roleplay as white hat heroes or black hat villains. The visitors interacted with artificially created robot hosts who were programmed to act out various storylines and narratives. My friend Aaron and I
wouldn't say friends,
were one of the lucky few 4,000 people who were able to score tickets to visit Sweetwater for the 3 days it was available. Here is our story. We checked in with our tickets, had our photos taken, and looked around while we waited for our bus to take us to Sweetwater. We also got assigned either a black hat or a white hat. We boarded the Westworld bus and took a 30-minute ride to a secret destination in the outskirts of Austin. We were given 2 Westworld coins and were greeted by several hosts at the entrance. We entered the door which transported us to the train that took visitors to Westworld. Several hosts asked us to look for certain people throughout town.
No.
They're too fast, smooth talking fellas.
Okay.
You ain't seen them?
No.
I've only seen a Chinese guy.
All right.
These are people that are here. Remember they took our photo?
Oh.
Cool. We interacted with several hosts and even witnessed the grave digging. We were also able to pick up mail at the local post office. As day turned to night, things in Westworld only got darker.
bring yourself back online.
And your grandma baked you a pie. Gonna increase your happiness by 25%. Present.
Oh my goodness, how are you doing today?
Whoa! 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 Yo, I can't let you do it, Darby. I can't believe it! You did it! I did it! Oh my god, how many times have you come in here now?
Overall, it was one of the most fantastic experiences I ever had with a television promotion.